Hi, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. I'm coming to you with another coronavirus video, which means I'm at home in my garage making this video for you. And today I want to talk to you about how to win your fraud case, or how to not win your fraud case, depending on how you look at it. Now, before I get into this, I just want to say if you want to talk about what you're going to hear today, you want to talk about your business, or you think you have a potential case, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc. That's meetjde.nyc. And you can book a 10-minute phone or a 30-minute in-person consultation. Of course, in-person consultations will resume after the coronavirus is over. Now, how to win your fraud case. Fraud in the civil sense, and I've done a few videos on this, is all about what happened when you made the deal. So this is coming from a case I have. Very quickly, my client borrowed money to fix up her home. And the deal was, when the home was fixed up, she would start repayment. Now, there's been a lawsuit initiated because she hasn't started the repayments. Now, she hasn't started the repayments because the renovations aren't done. So that goes into a whole ripeness issue. I'm not going to get into that today, but I may at a later date. But the other thing she's being sued for, besides breach of contract for the repayment, is fraud. Now, like I said, in a civil fraud case, it's all about what happened at the moment you made a deal. Okay? So, if you decide to completely screw someone over after you made the deal, that's not fraud. That's just a breach of contract. If you said something or did something to make someone go forward with a deal with you, and then you screwed them over with that lie, then you've committed fraud, civil fraud. Okay, so in this case, my client made a deal to renovate her home by borrowing the money. She even started the renovations. They haven't been completed, but she even started them. By starting the renovations and using that money towards the renovations, that means she had the intent, and this is very important, the intent to go through with the deal. All right? She had the intent to take that money, had the intent to fix up her home, and the intent to pay it back. Okay? She's done everything but pay it back, and besides not finishing it, she just has to finish it and then start the payments. That's not fraud. You don't commit fraud if you intended at the time you made the deal to move forward with the deal. Okay? Civil fraud looks something more like this. Give me $100,000. I'm going to provide you with a car. Okay? It's a nice car. It's a Ferrari. I'll give you the Ferrari. You give me $100,000. If I don't have the Ferrari, or I've sold it to someone else, something along those lines, then that is civil fraud, because you never intended to honor your part of the deal. But as long as you intended to honor your part of the deal, you will never lose the fraud part of the case. There's other things you might lose at, but not the fraud. And that's important, because in New York at least, and just about everywhere I believe, if you win a fraud case, you can get triple the amount that the person was damaged. So if you lost $100,000 and you win your fraud case, you can get up to $300,000 back, or at least win a judgment for that $300,000. Okay? So, if you have any questions about what you heard today, you want to discuss a possible lawsuit, or you just want to talk about your business, go to meetjde.nyc. That's meetjde.nyc. And you can book that 10-minute phone or 30-minute in-person consultation with me. Now, once again, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Thanks for watching and listening.